Formal nang ipinakilala sa publiko ang Our Lady of Fatima University o Olfu Pampanga branch sa isinagawang school blessing ng nasabing paaralan nitong Lunes ng umaga. Matatagpuan ang bagong bukas na sangay ng Olfu sa kahabaan ng MacArthur Highway, Barangay de la Paz, Ciudad San Fernando. Ayon kay Caroline Marian Santos Enriquez, University President, ang ginawang pagpapalawak ng kanilang paaralan ay bahagi ng kanilang misyong ginagampanan bilang isang institusyon.
Here we have BS Pharmacy, BS MedTech, we have Psychology, Criminology, and HRM as well coming from ECC and the BA programs. Travel Management kasama rin. And we want to be able to reach out to as many Filipino youth as we can. Yung mission mo kasi ng university is to improve man as man. So simple, but for me it is very deep because it means as you are, where you are, through education, we hope to be able to improve others.
Natutuwa rin si Enriquez sa mainit na pagtanggap sa kanila ng mga Kapampangan at iba pang mamamayan sa rehiyon.
Maganda yung pagtanggap. In fact, we have reached the 1,000 mark already. So for a starter, I think it's a very good year.
Ayon naman kay Dr. Vicente Santos Jr., presidente ng Fatima University Medical Center, partikular na pinili umano ng pamunuan ng Olfu ang Pampanga upang pagtayuan ng kanilang ika-4 na campus. Taong 1967 nang maitayo sa Valenzuela ang una at main campus ng pamantasan. 1996 naman nang maitayo ang Quezon City Campus at nito lamang 2008 ay binuksan naman ang Antipolo Campus.
It's a growth region at umuunlad. In some instances, parang mas malaki pa ang unlad niya kaysa sa Metro Manila. I mean, the rate that it's growing. So we're glad to be part of it and we're thankful for the Kapampangans for welcoming us here.
Inaanyayahan naman ni Don August Santos, Vice President for Finance at Executive Vice President ng Pamantasan, ang publiko na bisitahin ang kanilang bagong bukas na campus. Ayon kay Santos, bagamat isang pribadong institusyon, abot kaya umano ang matrikula at iba pang bayarin sa Olfu.
We keep Our Lady Fatima University has always tried to make our fees affordable to those who come to us. Compared to all other major universities, we have the lowest tuition fees. Ang range po ng tuition fee po natin is between 15 to 18,000 po. So if you can compare this with other major universities here in Pampanga as well as in Metro Manila, tamang-tama lang po at very affordable ang ating fees here in Our Lady Fatima University.
Ako si Justin Dizon, alerto, alisto sa pagbabalita.